Hey there YouTube, AJ here, and well, this week I don't really have much of a video for you. Truth is, hopefully right now I'm recovering from open heart surgery and bypass, so I didn't get time before the surgery to really get a video out. But I thought I'd take this moment here to let you know that I have merch. You can see here, it's got my logo on the front, and on the side, it's got the AJStarch on the sleeve, which I thought was pretty cool. I like pictures, but I don't like big branded images. So I tried to keep the AJStarch a little more subdued. If you don't know about my logo, it's basically, I'm a big One Piece fan, which is an anime. If you don't know what that is, look it up. You'll get addicted. Start way back. There's like 1,100 and some episodes, almost 1,200 episodes now. And it is an incredible show. But anyway, I took inspiration from the pirate flags on One Piece and made my own pirate flag, if you will. So it's got the skull with my trademark flat cap with the star in the background, the star from the starch in my name. And yeah, I personally like a good clean white t-shirt, but I also have a charcoal version. I know a lot of people like black t-shirts. Where I live here in North Carolina, black t-shirts are just so daggone hot in the summer. I only wear them in the wintertime. And even just a little bit of charcoal, it makes it a lot more comfortable in the summertime. It's got the same logo. It's got the same AJStarch on the left sleeve. I think it's pretty cool. But wait, there's more. Now I personally think there's nothing more jaunty than wearing your flat cap riding around in your roadster. Yeah, I know it's not technically a roadster, it's a touring, but you know what I mean. It looks sharp, it looks dapper, but I do realize not everyone can pull off the flat cap and look good. And let's face it, it's not fitting for every situation. Going to be a little more sporty out riding on the motorcycle. Got to have a more traditional headgear. So I have the fitted baseball cap style. Now, it's not truly fitted. It's just not a snapback. It is a flex fit. I prefer flex fits to snapbacks. It's got the logo on the front with the AJStarch. And then on the back, it's got the smaller logo. So when you are going down the road on the motorcycle, you can turn it around, still sport the logo without your hat flying off. Just kidding, kids. When you're on two wheels, always wear the safety gear. Don't ride without it. It's not worth it. But when you get off the bike, frontwards or backwards, cool looking hat to wear. Now, a lot of times on the bike, it's a little chilly. Could be in the morning. You need something a little heavier than a t-shirt. Well, I got you covered there as well. Got the nice warm hoodie to wear in black, because if you're wearing a hoodie, chances are it's going to be a little chilly, and you might want that black color absorbing some heat to keep your body temp up. Now, again, same cool logo on the front, but on the sleeve, we went a little more bold with the AJStarch since we had some more room to play with, and we got the full sleeve effect. But wait, that's not the end of it either. What if you're going to the beach? We got you covered there too. You got a more sunny situation. You need a little more coverage to keep that thinning spot in the back from burning, or those ears. Nose, get your whole face protected. A little bit of your neck too. Got a bucket hat for that. Now I admit I don't wear a bucket hat all the time, but I do like to have one out in the sun down here. And I gotta say, I think my design is pretty cool for this. We got the logo and a pattern around the whole hat with the AJStarch lightly in the background. I think this is a pretty festive and cool hat to wear. But maybe you need to tone it down a little bit. Voila, it's reversible. You could wear it with just the main logo out and the AJStarch full design with the little icons inside of the letters. That's pretty slick too. I personally like this side though. I've grown rather partial to this. Now this one's only in white because, you know, in the sun you want to be able to not have that dark color absorbing heat on your head. So we got that there. So look in that link in the video below and below all my videos. Go to my Fourth Wall store and buy some merch. Why not? Give me a big surprise when I wake up from surgery and have some orders. That'd be pretty cool. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not looking for pity merch buys, but if you're interested, check it out. Other than that, that's all I have for you this week. Just a really brief update on why I don't have a video and a commercial. Sorry about that. I will be trying to do some update videos later on when I get out of surgery. We'll see how long it takes me. I don't know how this recovery is going to go. And I do have some light projects lined up that I can hopefully do while I'm recovering. And when I say light projects, I mean very, very light, nothing, not really working on the car. I just have some other ideas to throw out there. So until then, YouTube, later.